How to use discomfort on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use discomfort on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are on the app, choose the video you want. For example, this one. All you need to do is click on the share icon and you're gonna find this list. Scroll over. Now you're gonna find discomfort. Click. So this is it. You can do it again by click on the share, click on discomfort. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. So if this video was helpful for you, or if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. It will help us so much.